So you want to tell me that Mtunzi has now turned to be a family businessman, because why he went to have a business meeting with the Sindanes, pitching his idea on how the laundromat could be a user-friendly for the entire building, because now instead of them to wash everything for themselves, they just have to pick up the clean sheets, which now loosen up on the intensity of the traffic, doing all the laundry for themselves. Now they have to take care of the laundry and the prices are affordable. Yeah, ngivele ngafeel ukuthi yabona umthunzi ushintshile nyan. So now it looks like the Sindanes did not have any objections when it comes to pricing as well as the services that is rendered, and it looks like probably they're going to say yes to that. I don't know. Utalita had a visit from Utebs telling her that Utiro is back, but Utalita was just pretending as if she has no idea. She have never spoken to him, but Utebs did not believe her at all. Neither would I, because we know that only that means only one thing: problems. So now Utebs goes tells Mdala Uti no lalela, Utiro is back, and him being back, I don't know what does that mean, because now he does not want to show his face, but I know that he's around. And the problem is, he knows what the last time he left, it was me who protected him from you. Now Mdala says, I don't know how do I feel about this, because now remember, Mahambala, Minanaye, we had unfinished business, and now he is back. I don't know if I have to be now considering Indabayaga. Kana, who's that guy that Bebakala and Usiswag Utelin? Now there's Utiro on the other side. So I don't even know why should my focus be divided and coming to Utiro. So Mdala is not happy about that, and I don't know if he would want to be pursuing him anymore or again. I don't know, but it's probably gonna turn up regarding to his feelings. Anyway, sanibonani abushini molweni minjani hipukila hingangwina. So namuhla kano kwa hina wa scandal hikuma korishla semsekangi kahle, because after a long consideration and preparation to go and meet ubabazala to be wagantutuko, then Victor says, you know what, I've seen it looks like whatever that you're telling me, you guys have organized and agreed on everything else before you come to me. Now Khalalelo say, Papa, you said we must go and get a spreadsheet. We got it. You said we must do this. We did it. Now we are here. Nekisanya ko khona lingwana kinya ko ira bosheni warke sky yira no kinna lingwana no sansane una libuthata khandi problem ki ing. Then he says, okay, fine. Everything that you've done is fine, but that will never happen, not today, not tomorrow, not ever. Mathi not ever. Again, I understand not ever. Anyway, on the other hand, again, Pablo met no Tiro, and Tiro can never be nice to anyone unless if they want to use them. So Pablo was not happy with their first meeting, but this time around, lawyer, and then good lawyer law, he manipulated the lawyer to believe that he's going to embarrass himself on the bail hearing, and they're not going to get it unless something is done, because now it's not a bail hearing, it's the Talita's appearance. Now he says, unless if we get Pablo out of the jail, and then we deal with Victor. Yabana, when Tiro is around, my blood is always boiling. So now the lawyer friend says no, he's not going to do it. At the end of the day, she says yes, and then they did the bail hearing, and Pablo is out. Now Tiro says, please let me know when he comes out, because I'll be there, Matupa.